Hi everybody, welcome to John Creator. Today we are going to model a toilet commode in Indian model. So last video we have model a tiles. So this video we are going to look into the modeling a other items in the bathroom. So then one by one room we are going to model each things one by one, right? So let's go into the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. If you are very new to the 3D modeling, please see my old videos for the beginners. Press Shift A and create a circle, and in the circle vertices make it 10. So now we have the 10 count vertices circles. So using this we are going to design as per our requirement. Press 7 on the keyboard and press S and Y to scale. Okay. We can scale it like this, and let me see, press Control 3 to apply. Okay, it's actually it's not came as per my requirement. So what shall we do means, so we can select the bottom 3 4 5 vertices, press G Y to move, and I'm going to move till towards this one letter white, and I'm going to select the same in top and press G Y to move, and I'm going to move towards the top. So now we have created the shape like this. Using this we are going to model a Indian toilet commode. So after doing this, select everything using a key and E to extrude and S to scale. So you can scale up to like this. I just turn on the screen casting. Okay, now again E to extrude, S to scale, and move little bit like this. Then select these five vertices, press S to scale, align it in Y axis, press 0 to make it align straight, and press G Y to move towards like this. And the same way I am going to do it here for this bottom thing. Press scale Y0, enter, and G Y to move towards like this. Okay, so we have aligned as per requirement. Here is the basic thing we have did. Now select these two vertices and press E to extrude in X axis, move like this little bit. E to extrude in E to extrude in X axis, move up to here. E to extrude in X axis, move slightly up, and E to extrude in X axis, move little bit further. Sorry. So in this we want the same depth and scaling in the left side also we have aligned in the right side. So for that I am going to do a simple step to make it even. Press 7 on the keyboard for the top view, go to the wireframe, select these vertices and X and V to delete the vertices, and go to the modifier, give the mirror modifier, make the clipping, and I apply the go to object mode and apply the same. Now we have created as per our requirement the same step for us. It has been came, and I press Ctrl Z. So before applying the mirror, okay, Ctrl Shift Z. Okay, so I go to edit mode because we are going to do still one more modeling which will be easy for us if the mirroring is enabled. So what I am going to do is create a loop cut using Ctrl R and make it in middle. Press 2 on the keyboard for the edge selection and press Ctrl B to bevel and move the cursor as per the distances required for us. Now press Ctrl R to create one more loop cut and use the scroll key to increase the lines which is required for us. So I create this many lines, around 3 4 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 4 4 1. Okay, I make it 10. So 5 5 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, make it, then makes 20. Okay, we can make it up to 9, and you can confirm the selection, and then select the in face selection, press use the C to select. So I go to the solid view, so it's look very white. Sorry, I press C and select the circle select using this. So after selecting this, E to extrude in Z axis, and go to the vertex selection and select this one and select this one, and scale it in y axis. Yes, y to scale it in y axis, move like this, so it will be look good. So now go to the selection of this using the alt, you can select all the edges, so which is required for us. So after doing that, press C to create a circle select and use your middle mouse button to unselect everything. So I am going to unselect like this, and here also it's not required. And press Ctrl B to bevel, so you can bevel it and add a one look at there. So I make it this much big, and I press Ctrl minus to select like this. Go to the vertex selection in one on the keyboard, and GZ to move it towards the Z axis, and I go to the object mode. I press Ctrl 3 to bevel. So now we have got the good design for this step, so which looks nice. For the grip section we have given. Okay, go to edit mode and I turn off the subdivision thing. Now after doing this, select all these vertices and E to extrude in Z axis, so move towards like this, E to extrude in Z axis, and GZ we can move it a little bit down. So after doing this, what I am going to do is, okay, is that okay, this is enough. So here I am going to select these two vertices, press M and merge at center, and I am going to make it as 3, line 1 2, okay, fine. So I select these 3, press M to merge at center, select these 3, press M to merge at center, select these 3, press shift or to repeat the same, and again last 2 shift or to repeat the same. Now I am did what is the requirement is required for me to come as per our requirement. So now I go to the object mode, I save it once again, and I press shift Control A to apply a mirror. Go to object mode, and again after selecting this bottom edge loop edge vertices, press E to extrude in Z axis, so make it a little more big, and E to extrude in scale, and E to sorry, I undo it, G Z to move little bit down, and E to extrude in Z axis, and S to scale it in X axis little bit, and E to extrude in Z axis. Now after doing this, press S to scale and E to extrude in Z axis and S to scale. You can go little bit upper also, not it is okay, and E to extrude in Z axis and scale it down, scale it down, and right click and go to the loop cuts and make it circle. So now we have created like this. I am going to scale down this to bottom and go to the side view, press G Y to move like this, and select this, go to the wireframe and select this one, G Y to move towards like this, and select this, and we can see it in bottom how it looks. Yeah, looks fine. And for us it's required little bit, need to go more right side. So I go to the again the view, this view, GY, and move towards like this, and select this and GY to move towards like this, and this also I'm going to annihilate a little bit down there, and select the bottom vertices, and now E to extrude in Z axis and S to scale and E to extrude, S to scale little bit outside, and E to extrude in Z axis and E to extrude and scale it inside, and E to extrude in Z axis, and E to extrude, you can move it in Z axis, GZ, and I am going to rotate it slightly like this, and E to extrude and rotate it slightly like this, and E to extrude, again rotate it like this, and E to extrude and rotate it like this. So this way I am going to give. So here this edge, okay, that is okay for us. I go to the solid view, right click, shade smooth, go to the triangle and make it auto smooth. Now here, so this is the basin we have designed. So here we can able to see doesn't have a sharp edge, so I'm going to give one more edge clips here, so which looks nice. And I go to edit mode, I try to give it in top here in this angle and move it towards here. Okay, use the shift key to move slowly towards there. So now it looks nice here, and here we can able to see these two things. I press double G to move towards like this, so now it looks fine. And here also same, double G to move, double G to move like this, so it looks fine. And here too we can align it like that. Select these two, press double G to move towards like this, select these two, double G to move, I am pressing the wrong button. Okay, now it looks, everything is fine. So here one more thing, we have to create one edge loops here, because which is doesn't having the support for this. For this, what I am going to do, select these two vertices, right click and subdivide, and double G to move, we can bring it towards here, and select these two and press J to join, and we can see it how it looks. Yeah, looks very nice. So I am going to do the same for this side also and the other side also. Double G to move towards like this, and select these two vertices and create a subdivide, and press double G to move, and select these two and press J to join, and we can see, wow, okay, everything is looks fine. So you can able to see the difference between these two. So same thing I am going to do it here, double G. So I am going to do it in other side same way. Select these two, create a subdivide, select these vertices, double G to move here, and select this one, press J to join, and select this and press double G to move, and select these two and right click and subdivide, and select this and double G to move, and I join this. So this is the way to clear the some which doesn't look nice. So our top is ready, but bottom which looks it's very big and uh, it's look like little bit big. I'm going to reduce it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go to the edit mode, press 1 on the keyboard, go to the wireframe and select these two, and yes, to scale slightly down inside. Okay, now it looks better, and here you can able to see one line is coming up, so like line way, so which is the same thing, looks little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and double G to move, and I'm going to select this and double G to move. I'm going to move it away a little bit, so this also double G to move, and this one double G to move, and select this, double G to move, select this and double G to move, and select this one, double G to move, select this one, double G to move. So let me see. Yeah, now it looks fine. So this is the way to model a commode. So this is the Indian style. So next session we can concentrate on applying a floor for the bathroom with the square tiles. So I will guide you that in next video, and I forget to inform you that we have to apply a material for this. Go to the material tool, apply a new material, make it as toilet commode, and I'm going to give it as roughness, reduce it. So they like this only, it will get shine in the new materials, right? And yeah, this is fine, it looks good. And what to say, I don't know. Okay, fine, so let's see it in next video. Until then, bye bye friends. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. If you like the video, share it with your friends and click a like button. Bye bye.